Namaste ji, my name is Yogi Sonu and I'm from India. I live in Thailand right now. So here in this yoga channel, you can learn everything about the yoga foundation. So yoga is for everyone. If you can take breathe, it means you are able to practice yoga. So that is my concept. So everybody yoga can practice, and if you will practice the yoga, that your benefit will be happen in your life. Body and mind all will be balanced. So it's important, and whenever we are working with only the asana, so asana is a one part, pranayama is a one part, meditation is a one part, but in this channel, in this place with me, you will learn everything about yoga, all about yoga, because my passion is yoga, and I just sharing only the traditional yoga style, traditional Indian and original foundational yoga that you can find it in this channel with me. And I will be very happy if you will follow my channels in Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere the same name, Yogi Sonu. You can search and you can just follow it. It's very good for your understanding about the yoga foundation, about the yoga therapy, Ayurveda, mantra, meditation, everything that you can find in my channel. So I will be very happy to see your comments, and if you will share the video with your friends, I will be very appreciated for your good karma. So have a good day, and thank you very much for watching this video. Namaste everyone.